Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up HA Tunnel Plus using a working SNI host. Whether you're configuring the app for educational use, testing networks, or learning about SNI tunneling, this video has you covered. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. First things first, make sure your HA Tunnel Plus app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for HA Tunnel Plus, tap Update if available, or Open if you're already updated. This ensures you have the latest features and compatibility. Step 2. Once inside the app, tap to enable custom setup. Then, tap on Custom SNI. This is where we'll enter the SNI host for the tunneling process. Step 3. If you don't have an SNI yet, here's how to find one for educational testing. Open your browser, search for SNI Host Generator. Link also available in the video description. On the generator site, select your country from the drop-down, tap Generate. You'll receive a list of hosts, their type, such as V2Ray, SNI, or Direct, and supported connection methods. Reminder, use only public and authorized host names. This video is strictly for educational and testing purposes. Step 4. Now let's go back to HA Tunnel Plus. Paste a working SNI host into the custom SNI field. Example: if your ISP provides a bundle for apps like WhatsApp, you can use its domain, SAB, as the SNI, only if it's permitted by your plan. Enable Preserve SNI for a more stable connection. For the port, you can use 80, 443, or 8080, depending on what your network allows. For server, either pick one near your location or leave it on random. Now, tap Start. Step 5. Switch to the Log tab to check the connection status. You may see Initial Connection Attempts, Temporary Disconnections, followed by Successful Connection. This is normal during handshake and verification. If it fails, try another host. Ensure your bundle supports that domain. Keep an eye on errors like handshake failed or connection refused. This helps you diagnose whether the SNI works for your network. So that's how you configure HA Tunnel Plus using an SNI host for secure and educational tunneling. Don't forget to check the video description for the SNI Host Generator site, more tips and resources. If your country isn't listed, drop a comment. We'll try our best to add support for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more networking tutorials, drop your questions, or share your setup in the comments. See you in the next one.